Recording in progress.
Remember, we are the media now. Hi, Linda here. Thanks for joining me. Just wanted to check in and invite you to take a look at my blogs on artificial intelligence. You'll go to gotcontractorcomplaints.com or gotinsurancecomplaints.com, or just go to lindaayres.com and you'll see my LinkTree. I am looking forward to learning more about ChatGPT. Most of you know that I'm involved in complex litigation with the insurance carrier and their preferred vendors and their litigation support. And with what I've recently learned about corruption at the state bar level, the plot thickens. Quick synopsis of my deal. In February of 2019, my roof blew off. I called and reported it to State Farm, asked them what the deal was. They told me I was required to use their preferred vendors for policy coverage. They accepted the claim. They sent people out. Their people left me without a roof for 40 days. 65% of the roof had blown off. And they took a $20,000 claim, including loss of use. And my insurance agent told me to lawyer up and sue for 10 million. It's been ongoing torture for about 4 years, going into the 5th year. And I had been seeking legal counsel through the whole time. Earlier this year, I found an attorney who was willing to help me amend the complaint in accordance with the judge's directions, and he was going to ghostwrite it, not represent me. He said I'd need about $30,000 to have him represent me, and I said I don't need you to represent me. I'm doing fine. I just need some help with this amended complaint. That's another story for another day. It's very complicated and it's pretty foobar. So anyway, artificial intelligence is helping me work around that. What I have to do, I have an interview shortly with Julie Jones on her podcast. Tomorrow, or I think it's Thursday, I have a meeting with Lou Bortone, and he's going to be helping me get my video game together a little bit better. And let's see, I've lost a few more friends to censorship on LinkedIn. And so we're going to have to amp up our game there. Artificial intelligence gave me some ideas on that. I posted that. I'll see if I can find that and post the link below. Anyway, I'm getting ready to chat with Julie, and she's got a new TV show. I hope you'll sign into that and watch and see how we're all doing and what we have to share. Remember, we are the media now. Stay out of the streets. Occupy virtually, do the math, keep the keyboards dry. Big hug, bye.